Here we go.
The National Weather Southwestern Hill County in southeastern Alabama, Southern Coffee County in southeastern Alabama, Geneva County in southeastern Alabama, West Central Houston County in southeastern Alabama, Walton Northwestern Washington County until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Andalusia to 6 miles east of Crestview to near Navarre Beach, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Daleville, Santa Rosa Beach, Mufuniec Springs, Geneva, Enterprise, Bonifay, Fort Rucker, Hartford, Level Plains, Sampson, Eglin Air Force Base, Union, Liberty, Live Oak, Freeport, Paxton, Ponce de Leon, Calhoun, Kinston, and Caryville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Alabama and the Panhandle of Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Houston, Alabama.
Alright,
The National
let's
Weather
take a look at what I missed.
for southeastern Houston County.
You've missed some unrecognized messages, some tornado warnings. Just
Early County in southwestern Georgia, Seminole County in southwestern